Welcome to day 4 of a movement a day Qigong, and as promised we're going to do a flow today, starting with our hands about right at our hips and our palms are face up. We're going to bring the hands up. They're going to rotate facing the body at this point and then keep rotating till they're pointing away from the body at the very top, looking up at your hands and then coming back down, rotating the palms so that when they're in front of the chest, they're radiating energy into the lungs and then back down at the bottom. Buddha holds up the earth. Inhale as you come up and exhale as you come down. Now this nourishes the metal element in Chinese medicine. So in Chinese medicine, the metal element rules over the lungs and the large intestines, the skin and the immune system. So this is your total shield, basically. The metal element I like to think of as an armor. When your metal element is strong, then your physical body is strong and protected from pathogens or anything that might invade and infect it. So this is really great. The lung meridian begins right under the clavicle. Lung 1 and lung 2 is right here. And then it ends on your thumb. So you might note I think it's important, this little twist at the top. And you might feel the energy really going into your thumbs. And as always, you want to take a deep breath into your belly as you're going out, expanding the lungs, and then exhale as you're coming down. Really nice flow to do after what we did yesterday, which was getting the lymphatic pump moving a lot. So this one extends on that. So flows, the value of flows are they're really nourishing to the body. And so the first 3 days of our Movement a Day series, we worked on activations. Things that kind of purge stagnant energy, get your energy circulating in the body. And now we're doing a flow, which is a nice balance. Because the flow is what allows fresh energy to come in. So if you're doing your own little sequence, you want to begin with some activations and end with flows. Calming to the system, nourishing to the body. And this is where you build Qi. Filling up your internal reserves of energy with flows. And this one for the lungs and large intestines, immune system. Inhale up and exhale down. With all the different movements, you want to find the rhythm that really works with your body. So you might be going slower than me or faster than me. And some days when you've been doing a lot of stuff, you might start off going really fast and then slow it down. As you begin to really feel that Qi, people tend to go slower and slower because it's like so amazing. Here we're reflecting energy into the lungs. See if you can feel that energy going into the chest as we go up and down the body. There's that important part. Now with this flow, you can do one thing more to kind of make it even more soothing to the nervous system, is when you get at the top of the breath, just pause a little bit before you start flowing back down. And at the bottom of the breath, pause before you start flowing back up. Just a slight pause. Now the energy itself or your movement, we want to be really circular and fluid. So we don't actually stop. We might just kind of slow down and then expand almost energetically with the pause. And then gather back in the energy, flowing it up. Again at the top, just a little energetic expansion while we're pausing. Flows are great. You can do them for as long as you want. You could do this flow, you could put it on auto repeat and just do it for an hour if you wanted. And it would just continue nourishing your body. This is our last one here. Up we go, and then bringing the energy down. Focusing on the energy, just settling into the lower dantian, really slow at the end. Just rest right here with the fingers pointing towards each other. You can bring the thumb and the forefinger together. That kind of contains the energy that you've just developed. Kind of putting a little pressure on that lung point. Just take a moment to do a couple of slow breaths. Notice how your body's feeling. Remember to rejoice that you did another few minutes of Qigong today. That you're beginning a lifelong practice that will continue to nourish you and keep you youthful for all of your days. And come back tomorrow for day 5 of A Movement a Day Qigong.
Thank you for practicing with me today. You did beautifully. I'll see you tomorrow.